Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of changing your date of birth on your Microsoft account. This is really useful if you accidentally entered the wrong birthday when you first created your account, or if you just need to update it to reflect the correct details. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and head over to account.microsoft.com. Go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft login, details your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a tab called Your Info. Click on that. This section is basically where Microsoft stores your personal details, like your name, profile picture, and yes, your date of birth. Now, scroll down until you find the option to edit your date of birth. Once you click on it, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity before letting you make changes. Don't worry, that's just a standard security step. You might get an email verification code or a prompt to confirm via text message if you have a phone number linked. Just enter the code and you'll be good to go. After verification, you'll see the fields where your current date of birth is stored. All you need to do here is update it to the correct date. Double check to make sure the information is accurate, especially the year, because this can affect things like account permissions, parental controls, or age-restricted content on your account. Once you've entered the correct date of birth, go ahead and hit save. That's it. The change will be applied immediately. From now on, your Microsoft account will show the updated date of birth across all services, including Outlook, Xbox, Skype, and any other apps linked to your account. So, there you have it, a quick but detailed walkthrough on how to change your date of birth on your Microsoft account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover any other Microsoft tips or tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.